Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, introduce myself. My name is Eka Tunisa with NIM 2401050200 from Rombel A, Program Studi Pendidikan Guru Sekolah Dasar Fakultas Ilmu Pendidikan dan Psikologi Universitas Negeri Semarang. Here, I will make a learning video for grade 2 elementary school math subject regarding addition and subtraction using English. So let's go started. Okay, good morning, all. Good morning, student. How are you today? Thanks, good. Good news from mom too. How is the spirit today? Keep up the extraordinary spirit. Good job. Okay, good job, student all. Before today's learning begins, let's pray according to our respective religious. Hopeful, this learning will be useful for all of us. Amin. Okay, before entering the material, mom will check the attendance of student by calling one by one with the aim of being more familiar with student. Before we start learning today, mom will check the attendance of the children first. Is there anyone who has not been cut by mom? No? Oh yes? Okay. Next, then we will learn together. Okay, student, will still remember the previous math lesson? Well, so next we will learn about addition and subtraction previously. What do you know about addition or subtraction? Or what do you know methods to solve addition and subtraction problems? No? Okay, so we will learn by watching videos from YouTube and mom will divide group to learn in groups. Is that understand?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning students. Halo, selamat pagi anak-anak. How are you today? Bagaimana kabar kalian hari ini? Remember, ingat-ingat ya. Dalam bahasa Inggris, ada 3 tanda utama yang menjadi dasar dalam operasi penjumlahan dan pengurangan. 3 tanda itu adalah tambah, kurang, dan sama dengan. Tambah bahasa Inggrisnya plus, kurang bahasa Inggrisnya adalah minus, dan sama dengan bahasa Inggrisnya adalah equals. Now, look at the example. Sekarang, coba lihat contoh. 3 ditambah 4 sama dengan 7. Bagaimana mengartikannya dalam bahasa Inggris? Coba perhatikan ya. 3 bahasa Inggrisnya adalah 3. Tambah bahasa Inggrisnya adalah plus. 4 bahasa Inggrisnya adalah 4 sama dengan equals 7 bahasa Inggrisnya 7. Jadi 3 plus 4 equals 7.
Okay, the video is over. How was it? Did you have fun watching it? Is there anything you want to question? Any question? No? No question? Okay, if no one asks, then mom will ask the children, do you agree? And the question is, if it's a song, which channel do you use? Okay, this lesson is about addition and subtraction, grade 2 elementary mathematics, by Zeka Tunisa, Universitas Negeri Semarang. Okay, the material we will learn is three, and the first about addition in various ways, and the second is subtraction in various ways, and the third is addition and subtraction of storytelling problems. Entering the first material, namely addition in various ways. This material is divided into three parts, namely accounting for words. Two, second addition is divided into again, namely stacking addition with story and stacking addition with storying. Uh, and number three is number pairs. Okay, we will discuss the first part of the addition material. It is about accounting for what. For example, 3 plus 4, how much? Let's calculate together using the forward counting method. So we will make 5 box first. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Uh, so we'll make a 5 box first. We will the first box with the number 3. The second box is filled with the number 4, and so on sequentially from the first box to the fifth box. And then we make an arrow between the first box and the second box, between the second box and the third box, and so on. Under the arrow, we will put a plus sign and the number on +1 until it meets the number of numbers you want to edit. For example, if the number 2 is 4, then we will make 4 letters +1 between one box and the box in front of it after we calculate this. So if 3 plus 4 equals is 7. Next, enter the second material, namely subtraction in various ways. This material is divided into three as well, namely accounting backwards, into compound subtraction with its borrowing, and compound subtraction with borrowing, and three number pairs. Okay, we will discuss the first part of subtraction material, which is about counting backwards. Example problem 7 mean for how much it's. Let's go together using the countdown method. So we will make 5 box first. The first box we will with the number 7. The second box is filled with the number 6, and so on sequentially from the first box to the fifth box backwards. Then we make an arrow between the first box and the second box, between the second box and the third box, and so on. Then under the arrow, we will put a minus sign and the number 1 mean 1 until it meets the number of numbers you want to edit. For example, the number you want to add is 3, so we will make it 3 letters when 1 between one box and the front box, and after we count the result of 7 minus 4 equals is 3. And the third material or the last material is about addition and subtraction of storytelling problem. This material is divided into two parts, namely addition in story problem and subtraction in story problem. So addition and subtraction story is a way of subtraction and addition related to a story. So, in the operation of addition and subtraction, there are various ways children, okay, as you explained earlier,
Pretest
understand,
group.
okay,
1. How
understand,
many bands did
and
brother,
will
sister, and
divide
mom eat?
to the group,
2.
and
What is
each
the
group will get
difference between the
problems
bread
and work
eaten
on it
by brother
together,
and sister?
okay, are you
And
understand?
3. How much bread
Yes.
does mom have left?
Discussion pretest group. One,
The
how many
working
bond
time
did
is
brother, sister,
over.
and mom eat?
Okay. Uh,
Answer: 2 plus
how?
3 plus 2
Next we
equals
discuss
7.
together. Okay.
Number 2,
Understand?
what is
Okay.
the difference between the bread eaten by brother and sister? The answer: 3 mean 2 equals 1. Number 3, how much bread does mom have left? Answer: 12 means 7 equals 5.
Is there anyone who want to ask any question? Student? No question? If not, then we continue with its breaking first. Okay. Because the children have all done a great job of counting, we will do ice breaking first. Okay? Agree? Okay, student.
Good morning everybody, how are you? Good morning everybody, how are you? Good morning to me, good morning to you. Good morning everybody, how are you? I'm fine. Good morning everybody, how are you? Good morning everybody, how are you? Good morning to me, good morning to you. Good morning everybody, how are you? I'm fine.
Okay. As breaking is over, then we
Here is
will
the
do
storytelling
an evaluation
in order
free
to
first
answer the
to find
question.
out how well
In the
the
morning, mom
children
has the bread
understand
loaves to
the
teach
material this
to
time. Like
younger the
that.
siblings and three
Okay,
older
let's
siblings. After
evaluation
that, mom
time.
feels hungry and eats two of the bread loaves at a stomach filler, and the rest of the bread loaves will be kept by mom to make breakfast tomorrow morning. The following are the evaluation questions for addition and subtraction material this time. And here is a discussion of the evaluation question.
And the working time has been complete. Then we discussion it together so that we understand better. Finally, the discussion of the problem is over. Is there anything you want to ask? Any questions, student all? No, no question. Okay. Evaluation time is over. So the conclusion of the material is that addition and subtraction are the simplest number operation. Next, we will continue this material with more numbers, children. Okay. Okay. Are you understand? Yes. Before mom end this lesson, I would like to send a message to all the students to keep their spirit of learning for a bright future. Okay, agree yes? And understand? Yes. Finally, I would like to thank you for your attention and goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.